Hi everybody, it's me, Jody Lynn. Today I wanted to share with you a great tool that you can add into your Google Classroom today and use as a center to help target and fill grammar instruction in your classroom as well as writing. It's called quill.org. You're going to click on quill.org. My internet seems to be a little slow here today, so just bear with me. If you haven't been here before, you want to sign up, or you can log right in. The great thing about Quill is that you can log in with Google. You see it's also log in with Clever, but I always just like to log in with my Google. Once again, I'm using my district Google account. I'm going to confirm that. Quill wants to be able to sync with my Google Classroom, so I want to allow that. Just takes a second to load. Maybe more than a second. Here we go. You can see what you're doing, so you can go to your classes. And here in your classes, you can create a class, and this is where you're going to be syncing your classes with your Google Classroom. You can see I have classes here loaded already from last year. When you come in, you can also assign activities to students. I would recommend that when you come into Quill, the first assignment that you want to give them is this entry diagnostic. Let's just look and see what that looks like. There's 4 diagnostics total. One thing I like about Quill is we have a starter, an intermediate, and advanced, so elementary, junior high, high school. We also have an ELL diagnostic, which is awesome. You knowing your students best, you might want to start them with the starter diagnostic depending on your grade level, and then based off of mastery, you can then send them into the intermediate. Once again, if you have students, you start them at intermediate and they're showing mastery there, you can push them into the advanced diagnostic. I just want to show you what it looks like, so I'm going to click on the intermediate diagnostic. And you can preview it here. Let's just click on that. So you see there's 25 questions. This is exactly what the students would see. So I'll watch a movie at blank house while blank studying. I'll watch a movie at, oopsie, choose the word. Your house. I'm going to think about that. So that means you are. So I'm going to go your while you're studying. And then hit submit. So you can see what you're going to run through here. So the students are going to actually type in the box. They're not going to drag and drop. You can see that. I'm just going to exit and save. It's going to save the diagnostic where you're at. If I wanted to, again, assign the activity, I'm going to click back on Assign Activities after I've set up my classes. I'm going to go to that early diagnostic. or that entry diagnostic, I'm sorry. I'm going to click on intermediate just because I'm going to say that I'm working with 8th graders. I'm going to continue to assign. And here you can see I can do a select and push it to everybody, or I could select by student by using this drop down. It's up to you based on what you have in there. And then once I do that, I'm going to click Save and Assign. Or what's awesome, right here you can see that if you don't have any classes, you can import directly from your Google Classroom. So once your Google Classrooms are uploaded and you come here, you can upload those directly in this tab. The last thing that I want to show you before I close out this quick video for you is once things are assigned, you're going to be able to see the data on students and be able to push out assignments to them. A great thing that they have is that you can archive your students. There's the classes, but if you look at assign activities, you can search by tools. So that's all down here. Practice for basic grammar. Proofreaders, practice those proofreading techniques. Combining sentences. You also have student reports, so you could pull reports based off of the diagnostic that you can use to support students as well. So you can see your activity summary, activity analysis. Everything is all right here for you, aligning to Common Core standards as well. Once again, Quill is a great tool that you can have students work on while they're in their Chromebooks. Once again, compatible with Google Classroom and a great idea for center activity work. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, have a great day of learning with your students.